Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok Shop not showing. So TikTok Shop is a new feature by TikTok to its professional account users. So if you don't see that feature on your account, your app must not be updated to its latest version. So in order to update your app, open App Store or Google Play Store, then search for TikTok. Now tap on the app on top. Now if you see the option of update like you see in my case, tap on it and make sure that your TikTok application is updated to its latest version. So now let's wait for the app to be updated. Until then, simply open settings on your mobile phone. From here, tap on General. Now again, go to the option of iPhone storage. Now from here, tap on TikTok app. Now over here, tap on Offload App. Then tap on Offload App again. By doing this step, you will be able to clear cache from the application. Now after some time, tap on Reinstall App and wait for the TikTok application to be reinstalled on your mobile device. Then if you open the app again, your problem will be fixed. So this is it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.